Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Michael Farhan Saputra, and I am from Shipbuilding Polytechnic State of Surabaya. And I am from class Diploma for Power Engineering Second B. And my number NRP is 0420040006 and 7. In this video, uh, I will explain about how to use the multimeters. Multimeters is a multifunctional tool used to measure problems related of electricity. In essence, this tool can measure voltage, resistance, uh, electric, electrical, and electric current. But this tool is also called avometer, which comes from the word avo, which means ampere, voltage, and ohmmeter. An important function of this multimeter is to measure the values that exist in electrical component with the characteristics that exist in the tool. For example, measuring electric current, measuring resistance of electrical components, and measuring electric voltage. Okay, next video. Next slide. Okay, uh, in slide 2, the materials and tools to be used multimeter. Number one, multimeter and its supporting equipment. Uh, use black metering cable with a negative plug, red measuring wire with positive plug, and measurement result display screen that works normally. And number two, the measurement item. In this video, I will measure the voltage at the uh, cable. Okay, next slide. Okay, in the slide, in the picture, here is how to use a multimeter. Number one, plug the black cable into the negative hole. Black cable and negative hole. Number two, plug the red wire into the positive hole. And number three, turn on the multimeter. Uh, turn on, turn on, uh, turn on the multimeter. Change the switch to the letter V if measuring the main voltage, and change the switch to the letter E if measuring electric current or ampere. Change the switch to symbol if measuring resistance. Number four, plug the end of the cable into the place to be measured. If the value appears, then it is correct, and write result value. Uh, when finished, turn off the multimeter and save it again. This is end in my video, and arigato gozaimasu.